Now that is the third brake light on your Kia Forte. The way to access it, we have to first open up the trunk. Once the trunk is open, right over there is where the bulb is. Again, let's take a closer look. That's the light and that is the bulb. Now to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb holder there and then twist it left. This is the hard part. Sometimes it may be stuck, so you may have to use both your hands, but you just have to twist it left a little bit the way I showed, and that's it. Now it's loose, you should be able to get it out. To get the bulb out, just press it down, twist it left, and out it comes. The bulb size is 7506. If you want to upgrade to a LED bulb, check the link in description. Let's get the new bulb, put it back in the bulb holder, and then push it down and twist it right, let it go. Now, when you're putting the bulb holder back in the light, I'm going to show you from a different angle. See, I'm shooting this video from inside the trunk. So, you see the slightly bigger tab over there on the bulb holder? That needs to line up with the slightly bigger slot in the light. So that way when you put the bulb holder back in the light, it just drops in. Or else you'll be spending a few seconds twisting and turning, getting it to drop in like this. At this point, all you have to do is just twist your right to lock it in place and you are done. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.